Hi guys, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, and good night, no matter where you are. So today I'm gonna make another video, but this time we are not doing any case study, but we still can obtain some information from it. This is a potential setup. This is just a potential setup. So I'm gonna make a brief video explaining it. So this is another classical QM setup. So what we have here is a GBPUSD 4-hour charts, and it's very obvious that we can see that the trend is going uptrend. It's going uptrend. So what is a QM? A QM is when the price, okay, making higher high and higher high, suddenly drop, okay, that breaks the previous low. So this is where we have our QM level, okay. Sorry, it's a QM setup. So where is our QM level? So this is our QM level. So we label it as QML at this place, exactly at this place, QML. Okay. So now the next question is it QML important? The answer is no. Everyone's taking QML for granted. I tell you, QML is not important. QML is just a signal to tell you that the price is reversing or changing trend. That's all. Don't take QML as a very important. Don't hold on to that concept. So what we really need to do next, we need to find SSR, significant support and resistance, or a MPL. So in this case, there is a MPL, very obvious MPL. So what is MPL? MPL is the initial movement that breaks, okay, that breaks the low. So how do we find MPL? First, we must get ourselves a horizontal line. I don't know what happened. My line keep breaking out. Hopefully I can draw the horizontal line. Yes, okay. So where is my MPL? First, you must have a horizontal line. Then after that, you just drag this line along and find a place where a lot of shadow meets. Okay, so for this case, it is here. It is here. Okay, so this is my MPL. So I'm gonna label it. Can I label it? Can I label it? Yes. MPL. So this is my MPL line. Put it over here. Easier. Okay. So we have our QML. We have our MPL. Now we need to find the decision point. Okay. So above the MPL, this is the decision point. This is the decision point. This part is the decision point. Okay, this part is the decision point. Okay, because this is the initial movement that breaks the low. So this is a decision point. So what happened next? We go into smaller time frame. Let's assume we go into 15 minutes. 15 minutes. And look for fresh supply. We always sell at the supply zone and we buy at the demand zone. Okay. So let's see, what do we have here? Okay, nice. So let me correctly. Okay, this is the place where we label just now. So from here we have an obvious, we have two obvious supply zone. Okay, one supply zone is over here. This is a fresh supply zone. Okay, this is a fresh supply zone. The other one is on the top, at the top over here. This is another fresh supply zone. So which one should I take? For me, I will take both. How? It's just that I'll combine it, because the stop loss is just around how many pips? 19 pips, 20 pips. So it's still very comfortable for me. Let me see. Yeah, 24 pips. I will take both. I will take both. I won't take the risk. But to be more accurate, we can adjust our MPL. Okay, we can adjust our MPL. Why? It's because there is a very significant support and resistance over here. And see, we have a very significant support and resistance over here. So this is where my entry zone is. Okay, my entry zone is. I'm not giving you any tips. If you can see that there's along this line there is a lot of retest. Okay, I am not giving you any tips. Sorry for that. I think my line is not very good. But let's see what happened. It's morning at my place right now, so usually the line is very bad, connection very bad. Alright, so what happened next? What happened next? You have a potential entry. Now we need to come back and look at how the price going to approach this area. Okay, if the price make a fake out, alright, hopefully it will make a fake out around here. Currently it's making a fake out. Make a fake out, then only touch, come down, very nice. Or if it's making a compression like this is a compression. Okay, it's even better, because from there we know that there is no demand zone and it will definitely drop like a brick. So where is my potential take profit? At this moment I cannot answer you anything, because here might be my potential take profit number one, because it looks like it's going to forming a demand zone. Then this part is the second one, and hopefully when it goes through all this, there will be my last fresh demand zone. Okay, I only take consideration of fresh demand zone as my profit taking. So this is your potential setup. This is not a tips, this is not a signal. Okay, so from this video, I hope you guys know what is MPL, what is this one called what? MPL decision point. Okay. Hopefully it will reach here 12 times. Hopefully. Alright, that's all. This is a few potential take profit point. That's it. Hope you guys enjoy and understand. Please don't ask me other questions. Thank you very much.